Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what matters: your account number, the phone or email registered with the utility, and a recent physical bill to verify details. Once done, open the provider's official website or app and choose the Login or Register option. If you must register, enter your account number and verification code sent to your phone. This confirms identity. Make sure to set a secure password and enable two-factor authentication if offered. Once logged in, go directly to the billing or e-bill section. Menus may be labeled My Bills or Billing History. You'll see recent bills listed by date. Select the billing period you need, then choose View PDF or Download. This creates an exact copy you can save. If there's a duplicate bill or email option, request it to have the statement sent to your registered address. Make sure the PDF opens correctly before closing the app so you don't repeat steps. You finish by saving the downloaded PDF to your device or cloud storage, and if needed, print a copy for records. If download or viewing fails, clear the browser cache or app data and try again. This often resolves file rendering issues. If problems persist, contact customer support with your account number and timestamp. They can resend the bill. Also check your email, spam, or junk folder for emailed copies before requesting another resend to avoid duplicates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.